G'day gang, welcome to another exciting video full of action and adventure. No, just joking, that's the wrong channel, not this one. Welcome to another incredible video. Maybe that's getting carried away too, but hey, I've got these things here lying around the house. These I collected from a school for nothing. A few weeks ago now, I just haven't got to them. These things here, what would you call them? A hot water boiler, or I don't know what the exact name is for this, and I'm sure someone will leave a comment telling me what these are, but essentially you're going to find these pretty much in most workplaces, and they're attached to the wall. You pull this thing here, this down here, and hot water will come out, okay? And then you can make your coffee and whatever else, or your soup, or who knows, whatever you do at your workplace. But yes, I'm just going to call this a boiler, rightio, a boiler. And yes, in your smoker room to make coffee, basically. As I said, hot water comes out of it as soon as you pull the handle down. So I've never done one of these before. This is kind of a new thing to me. So we're going to do this together, and I can look silly in front of all of yous because I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm going to have some fair idea, but whatever. If I'm doing something wrong, I'm sure you say, you don't do it like that. But anyway, we're going to sit back. There's not much holding this in. The screw was already undone. So we're going to take this tap off here, which I've already scratched, and the stupid dogs across the road are going nuts. Perfect timing. So this here is brass, a nice brass tap. These pipes here, they're copper. Unreal, so we're off to a great start. So I'm going to try to take this off, and we'll see what happens throughout the video. Maybe I'll try to chat as I go. Steel. Oh. Trusty steel. Certainly. Right. What next? Ooh. Ooh, look. Look. There's what we're after. Copper goodness. Scrapping goodness. Scrapping awesome. Got all these goodies here as well. Nothing too exciting, but hey, unreal. Okay, so this stuff here is melted on. Take care of it after. Take care of it after. Let's cut it off there. Yeah. Cable. Plug. these plugs off as well. Rubber. Rubbish. Okay, awesome. Just gonna crimp this bit of plastic off. Or brass, copper. Here. Got plugs off again. Cable, yes. Not sure how it'll come off yet. This too. It's a little tricky. How do we get that out? Do it. Wonderful. Rubbish. There. Okay, what have we got here? Stuff here. Okay. Alright. Screws. There. There. Ooh, beer, copper ring, wonderful. Clean brass. Clean brass. We'll clean that rubber off after. But I'll just cut this end off here. Fix it up later. Great. So here's a little bit tough. Good. Things can be awkward, especially when you're doing a video. There we go, a bit better. Beautiful. Bit of rubber inside. Fish that out. Beauty. And brass. There. Electric motor. Get that off somehow. Right. For now, stay there. What else we got? Brass here. I hope it's brass anyway. Yes, it is. Brass washer. Let's go there for plug. More brass. Goes there, brass washer again. There. Awesome. Oh, okay, what else we got here? Your little nuts on here. A very versatile tool. You can use it for lots of things.
Great. Stay there. Screw there. We've got there. This might need some tidying up. And unscrew this bottom part here. Whatever it's meant to do. Okay. Right. Screw. Bucket. Copper bottom. Pretty damn sure. Rubber. Oh yeah. Ain't no doubt in the world about that. You beauty. Ah, cable falling on the ground. This one here still got a plug on it. Goes there. What on earth we have here? Actually, does this do anything or what? Maybe, maybe not. There, great. This here, steel, maybe alley, maybe stainless. I think it's stainless. Puzzled by this thing. There we go. There we go. Copper here. Great. Yep, you're beauty. Rubbish. Okay, that there. Take this circuit board out. It's basically just clip down. I've just got to fold them back up again. Boy, leaking in a minute. Just do this. Comes. Got a bad little motor in there. Unreal. And I'll try to knock that out after. Here, what's that, aluminium? Pretty sure. Has to be. Get that out otherwise, like that I guess. Unreal. Alley out. Sweet. Okay. The steel frame here. Some shit. Foam. Glad this was free. Another way to get this off. It's easier. Just do this here, maybe. Something. What have we got here? Oh, we got that there too. Okay. Undo those screws here, but okay, we'll get to that after. Let's just get this shit out. Steel. There. steel. There. What have we got here? Oh, fold it. Just a little bit of aggression, sort of, without getting carried away. How she comes. Woohoo. Put that in a big bin after. Oh yeah. What we got? Oh, you need to have a good look at this stuff. That's nice. I love that. Love it. Here, just undo some of all these screws. Right, yeah, there. So, best way to get this undone. There is it. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look. What's going on? Oh, hang on. What's this here? Oh, that's not going to do anything. I've got to be honest. I don't think. But brass. Come out of what? Brass. Oh, where is it? Look there. Double check it. Absolutely. It's a little falling out. This ring. Over there. Right, so we've got to somehow get coming. Chuck that down there, so put that in. Phone. There. Thing, steel, there. Get in there. That steel here. That, my friends, is scrapping. Scrapping amazing. Scrapping amazing. Absolute gold. What a video. It's not even giving me any sign of what it actually is. Brass. Okay. Brass. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay. Brass it is. Now is this clipped on here maybe? Oh yes. Oh yeah. That's what I want. Clean this bad boy up. Thermostat out. Don't need that. This goes into steel. A few washers falling on the floor too. That's not good. Definitely, this ain't copper, surely not. Every other one's I've checked and no, not copper. Well, I didn't think so. You know, didn't hurt to check. Great, we'll put that somewhere there. Bit of plastic, rubber, whatever you want to call it. Great. Amazing. That I mean, time to watch football too. Again. Yes. Again. Maybe I can get this brass off, can I? Maybe I cannot. I don't know. I'm not counting on it. I think they may have to stay that way. Alternatively, just get the grinder, cut that bit of brass off as close as I can. And I think that will be good. What about this here? Is this anything? Does that come off? Yeah. To be honest, should be all good. Just something to take note of. This here was inside the pull down lever that's screwed onto here. So I just smashed the plastic and out came this bit of brass. Unreal. Just been playing around with this off camera, scrappers, and you saw me trying to get this off earlier. Bit of a struggle, but this thing here is lipped over. It's lipped over here onto this. So all I've got to do is just get this flathead, stick her around here, and just keep levering it up. Let's put it down. You can have a bit of a watch. Okay. The football's underway as well. We're just doing the Anzac ceremonies. I'm going to see if I can shorten this video too. Oh, the wife's going to drown into music. Oh yeah, look at that. It's better. Bit of what are we going to call this? Burnt copper or something. See what happens. Or maybe because I'll call it something else. Who knows? Then again, this might be brass. Is it? No, copper. Definitely copper. But there it is. There is that. That is bloody good. I am mighty pleased. And I'm very happy I've got a few more in the backyard as well that I can do, and maybe I'll be a bit better at it next time around. Just something here. I said I was going to do this later. Again, I had a quick tinker. Flathead screwdriver, stick it in behind it, push it up. And out she should pop. Alright. Or like that. Ouch. Like that. Unreal electric motor. It is for me anyway. Sweet. Plastic. Didn't be, I'm afraid. Now earlier would have seen a bit of brass sticking out of here. Now all I did to remove it was I got the grinder, put on a bigger blade, and I cut as close as I could to here. Just a bit around it, and I got the hammer and I bashed it. I bashed it a few times and out she popped. Right there. Okay, out she came, had a brass nut on the end which needed to be undone, but it's a bit hard to do while it's in here. So that worked just as well. And there we have it, scrappers. Job is complete. As you can see, I've done a little bit of a weigh, okay, just of the essentials. I weighed the copper, all the copper minus that little bit there. What was it? Let's just call it, basically there was 2 kilos in our burnt copper. 1.9 I had, but I've rounded up to 2 kilos. Why the heck not? And clean brass, all up was
450 grams. I didn't bother weighing this stuff here, all the aluminium, this thing here, all the steel, but for what, half an hour's work, and keeping in mind this was my first one I've ever done, so I can cut that time down to at least another 5 minutes, no problem, maybe 10, who knows. But looking at that there for half an hour's work, we're looking at least $30 in scrap value with this lot here. At least 30 bucks. I reckon probably a little bit more, but at least 30 is a safe call. So I'm very happy with that, and I've got a few more in the backyard to do. And scrappers, that brings me to the end of this video. I may have to cut a few things out just to kind of shorten it a little bit, but still 32 minutes, not too bad overall. Okay, overall not too bad. But viewing wise, people like shorter videos, and as you can see in the background, we're into the first quarter of the footy, so I'm going to head upstairs. So it's time for me to peace out. Yes, bit of a bungee run there, but all good. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the ding, yada yada yada, and thanks for watching. If you did, enjoy the rest of what remains of your weekend, and otherwise, apart from that, have a great week ahead. Ciao for now, folks. Catch you in another video. Stay tuned. See you shortly.